Rytr claims to be your go-to AI writing assistant, but does it live up to the hype? If you're looking for a tool to help with content creation, stick around as we dive into what Rytr really offers and whether it's worth your time and money. So, what exactly does Rytr do? At its core, Rytr is an AI-driven writing tool designed to help users generate content quickly and efficiently. It offers a variety of templates tailored for different writing needs, whether it's blog posts, social media content, or even product descriptions. The user interface is clean and straightforward, making it relatively easy to navigate, especially for beginners. One standout feature is the ability to choose a tone of voice, which could be a game changer for marketers looking to maintain brand consistency. However, while it does offer a decent range of options, some users might find that the AI-generated content lacks depth or nuance, which can be a bit frustrating. Additionally, the platform is geared toward anyone from bloggers to marketers, but I can't help but feel that more advanced users might find it limiting in terms of customization and complexity. Overall, it's functional but leaves some questions about its full potential. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Rytr is user-friendly and can save you time, especially if you need quick content. The variety of templates is a big plus, and the tone selection can help tailor content to your audience. However, there are a few downsides. The AI can sometimes produce generic-sounding text which might not resonate well with your readers. Plus, the pricing structure may not be ideal for everyone. While it offers a free tier, the limitations might push you toward the paid version more quickly than you'd like. Trust-wise, while Rytr seems to have a solid user base, the lack of transparency regarding how the AI generates its content could be a concern for some. If you're looking for a tool that offers more advanced features, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Rytr could be a good fit if you're a beginner or need a straightforward writing tool without a steep learning curve. However, if you're an experienced writer or need more in-depth customization, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth trying out, but manage your expectations regarding the content quality.